What's up and welcome back to Hayah'z Hive. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Birinji rice or Birinji chorro of Kerala. It is a traditional recipe of Kerala. Here I'm going to make the simple version of Birinji chorro or Birinji rice. It's very simple and easy to make. So let's get into the video. You will need some shallots or small onions, some curry leaves. I recommend using a lot of curry leaves to make it tasty. Bay leaf, fennel seeds or green jeera, 3 to 4 cardamom. If you are taking 1 glass of rice, you only need 2 cardamom, a piece of cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, sliced half of a big onion. If you have lots of shallots or small onions, you can just use those and you don't need to use big onion. For the rice, I am using Birinji rice from Kadir brand. Some oil. I recommend using coconut oil to get the correct taste. But if you don't like coconut oil, you can use any other oil, like sunflower oil. And some turmeric powder. So first, take your Birinji rice. I used 3 glasses of Birinji rice and put it into a bowl. Wash it and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Take your pot and pour in your oil. Spread it around and let it get hot. Now take your bay leaf, fennel seeds, cardamom, piece of cinnamon stick and cloves and put it into the pot and saute well. And then the shallots or small onions. And the curry leaf and saute well. Some people add grated coconut with the small onion and fennel seeds, but here we are skipping that to make it simple. So it's your choice, you want to add the grated coconut or not. Stir well for 1 or 2 minutes. Wait a second. I have created playlists and I'm gonna show you how to access them. So first, click on my channel name, and when you go to videos, you can see all my videos, and then there'll be a tab called playlists. If you click that, you can see all the playlists that I created. Be sure to check this out. Okay, let's continue. Now take your sliced big onion and put it into the pot. Keep sauteing well until the onion starts to wilt. If you want, you can put a lid on top. If you take basmati rice, you can take 1 and 3/4 glass of water for 1 cup of rice. The onion is now sauteed very well. Add your hot water now. If you take 3 glasses of rice, you need to take double the amount and an extra glass of water. So that means 7 glasses for us. If you use basmati rice, you can take 1 and 3/4 glass of water for 1 cup of rice. Let it boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And stir it all well. Add salt to taste. Now take your rice that you had soaked and put it all into the pot of water. Place a lid on top. Cook it until done. It will take about 5 to 8 minutes. Stir it around a little bit. And your birinji rice is done. This is the final birinji rice. I have put some pickle and some chicken curry and some lemon slices and some capsicum slices just to make it a little bit tastier. As I said, I had made some chicken curry to go with this. And it tasted absolutely amazing. You must try this. There are other combinations as well. You can also combine some dal curry and some okra, or you could say lady's finger curry. It's an amazing combination and you must try this recipe. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.